Well, hello there. Hey, it's Frankenmint. This is my 3D printing status update for Monday, January 12th, 2026. So we have a really short and sweet one today. I am simply printing an ATX case for this computer over here. It's pretty big. As you can see, we have a Weller soldering iron and a 6-pack of Budweiser tall cans for reference. And I would like to take the profile from this size to this size. And so that is the goal, and that is what we're working on. Some observations I've come with. I'm actually printing this in ABS simply to just have better heat tolerance and resistance. However, just due to the weather outside, I mean, it is beautiful, but just due to the weather outside, it is warping since I started this yesterday. And so I do have some parts where it looks good, but you can see on the top surfaces here, right, that we are having build plate liftoff issues. And so this is a 1 of 1, and so I'm not going to, this is a 1 of 1, so I'm not going to worry about making this perfect or printing more of them. I'm just going to put this together and enjoy it. I happen to have some M3 inserts and of course some M3 screws, and so I believe this will be just the ticket to shrink the computer size. And that's it. That's what I've been working on. Gotta pay cat tax. This is the completed print from the other day, as I said, with the orange offsets that I put in there. Yeah, this is my terrible soldering job so far, trying to desolder these, but I figured it out. I used the wrong technique. Gotta put a bunch of bridging solder on these spots and then use the heating template to remove these. And that's how I can do that. I don't want to worry about these little burn marks. That's just the flux. It's superficial. It's no problem. It's not permanent. Say, was that interesting to you? So I'm going to be doing a little bit more content about electronics assembly and disassembly, just because it's fun to do, and that's something I've always sort of been good at behind the scenes. So this is what I was running to try to do that botched solder job. This is what I've picked up to try to account for that. But I'm going to show you that it was the technique that failed me, not necessarily the iron. But we're going to find out for sure. And so that's why we need to do some evidence for the next episode of Frankenmint Live. New episodes of How We Roll are being produced as we speak. We'll see you soon.